Yes, man. Don't know the surgeon.
And the girl Nas.
You don't know. Like, comment and subscribe. Don't know a thing go. So we are shoot another video in the day again. It's gonna be a nice little epic one, you know. Call it water challenge.
No. Waterfall challenge, guys.
Then
Waterfall challenge, guys.
So what the difference? Water or fall? Waterfall.
Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, the waterfall challenge. Basically, we're gonna put this on him hand, right? And then we're gonna get a cup of water in our hand, and we're gonna try and throw it in our mouth. So the cardboard is prevent him from bend the arm, right? So I'm gonna just tie this on him hand right now, guys.
Man, I broke on your car for me, you know.
And a better rope or the tape. You can use rope or tape and just hold it, right?
Look at that, I tie like you up and pull out back in my friend.
Me a tie up.
How would they pull out? My friend still please do that, sorry. So,
Alright, you're not supposed to move none at all, guys.
So how up a side of bed?
Voila, you're not supposed to bend. I'm gonna use another piece of cloth, guys. And tie outside, don't move.
Hey, I'm mad out, man.
Me a tie you. Girl, ladies, if you want to tie on a man, this is the way out. Alright, we're gonna get a cup of water now.
Be a poco cloth. We can't win this challenge, because be a poco cloth that tie me up with, you know. Some of you don't know.
Throw it in your mouth.
How is that? Man! Hey! You're going to sugar like it? Oh man! Let's source of water, so.
Hey, we don't know that for being enough. Ray! That's what now. There's some more cup of water there, please.
I'll be seed with.
Pull this in the water for me, please come back. Run ball and come back. Alright. My turn now.
Hey! So who win? Me win?
We're not doing it. You say you swap?
So when I want to dash it?
No.
Hey.
That's the whole challenge. No,
no, it's not a team. You never tell me that important.
Go around me for me hand.
You never hear explain that part in that challenge. Not at all. That's true.
No.
So I throw them more. The thief. That's what my water percent for nothing.
Come.
Yeah, be so strong, surgeon.
Right. Me a tie her back. Hold on, man.
Watch out! Watch out! Alright, it's tight enough.
Expert, there are two
You don't
cards.
have to use no more still.
You can't, a 2 cards that tie me up with 2 cards me tie you up back with it. Me hide that.
Nas, when you're done, you have poor circulation.
Alright, Jesus! You know, something never did so bad though.
Water.
With wow.
Some if you duck him first, then
duck
him first,
yourself.
then maybe go.
Come. Hey guys, this is so awkward.
It's awkward.
Drink up.
So the storage is full. You know the thing go. But the beard already, you know? I'm sick, you know?
I say they
Shouldn't have to do this, you know?
They be good, so might as well. It's my lucky dash for me, that me I tell you, you know.
Wait.
Boy, name out, big bro.
Chop.
Yes, man. You really need that. Go again.
Woo!
Me I win already, the people. Two times, me I lead.
Alright, me done.
No, you have to do the cook. You have to do it when I eat. You have to do it. You have to show the name out to you. Lock your nose hole. Let's lock your nose hole now. Lock your nose hole.
Nossa!
Lock your mouth now.
You win.
Give me a trophy.
You win.
Let me know something.
You win.
Do it right before we start.
Alright guys, so you're free to try me join it on. You're free to try this challenge. It is called the Waterfall Challenge, guys. You try back already?
You never know. Act like that.
No man. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Click that notification bell.
Team
so
Surgeon all the way. Team Surgeon.
Team NAS.
Team Surgeon. And me win this a challenger. Team Surgeon.
Team NAS. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so you will be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Ta-ta.